Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you through the steps to send a video note on WhatsApp. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Then go to the chat where you want to send the video note. This can be a one-on-one chat or a group chat. Look at the text box at the bottom of your screen. On the right side of this box, you will see a small camera icon. In recent WhatsApp updates, this icon allows you to send a video note directly. To record a video note, press and hold the camera icon. As soon as you hold it, your camera will open and start recording. While recording, make sure the camera is pointed towards you or whatever you want to show. You can speak during the recording or stay silent if you just want to share visuals. If you do not want to keep holding the button, swipe up while holding it. This will lock the recording so you can continue without touching the screen. When you finish, release the button if you were holding it, or tap the stop button if you lock the recording. Your video note will appear in the chat ready to send. Thanks for watching.